How to use colors in Helperbird. Go to Helperbird. Click on Colors. Click the toggle next to Font Color to change the color of the text. Choose a color and click Save to update your choice. The toggle next to Background Color will let you select a new color for your background. Click Save to update your choice. The toggle next to Link Color will let you choose the color you'd like for all of the links on a web page. Toggle on Highlight to change the color of text for when you click and drag across text, highlighting it. All four of the color features allow for you to create custom colors. Click the color box with the eyedropper. Make your custom color selection and click Save. You can do custom colors for all settings.